Building a cloud, page 2. So we just finished this one up here, which was paragraph 2. Up here was paragraph 2. Then this would be paragraph 3, and then this will be 4. Okay, so I'm gonna get my highlighter, and I'm gonna start reading. So we just found out that she has to pay attention to the cooling of the building, making sure it's cool. Finally, she needs to protect the computers from interference from electronics outside the building. So this is really important that she needs to pay attention to how other electronics interact with these computers that are inside the building. Paragraph 3. In order to test these properties of materials, Aaliyah builds a model. For her model, she decides that she will create boxes using materials. Before she builds her boxes, she will test the materials for strength and fire resistance. Now, I think this has to do with earlier, how she said she needs to make sure that it's, fire resistant. So we're going to do paragraph 3. We're going to say this paragraph told me that she practices before making an actual building by building a model first. So she builds a model first, and that's really cool. I would have never even thought about that. Paragraph 4. Aaliyah selects 3 materials. I'm going to get my highlighter again. Aaliyah selects 3 materials for her walls: concrete blocks, glass, plastic foam like you find in an ice chest, and steel. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. Aaliyah selects 3 materials for her walls: concrete blocks, glass, plastic foam, steel. That's literally 4. I'm going to underline that because what? It made me go, huh? Okay. The walls of the data center have to be strong. Having this property will allow the data center to withstand storm damage. Ooh. So this property of strength will allow the data center to withstand storm damage. That's really important. I've got to go back and do this again. I'm a perfectionist. I'm going to erase it and try again. Okay. And prevent people from breaking into it. That's important too. Aaliyah tests the strength of the walls by hitting each piece of material with a hammer using the same amount of force. She also needs to know which materials are fire resistant. She uses a blowtorch and applies the flame to the materials for 2 minutes. She records data for these 2 tests. So it's kind of like in our last part of our science, the last one I did, so 2 weeks ago, we did testing, conductivity testing, remember? So we did like electrical conductivity and magnetic conductivity. Remember that? Well, that's what she does. She's just testing, and she records all her data, like I told you, right? You always want to make sure that you write everything down so you don't forget. So let's do paragraph 4. Paragraph 4, this paragraph told me, and you guys won't be able to see, so I'm going to go like this. This paragraph told me, or you will actually, because I'm going to post it. This paragraph told me that Aaliyah has to conduct fair tests to see which materials have the correct property. There you go.